Hey everyone, welcome to Clean Clave Kitchen. Welcome back to my kitchen. Life can get super busy, right? I totally get it. That's why today I'm sharing 7 of my go-to, crazy easy, healthy dinner recipes that are perfect for those nights when you're short on time, but still want a delicious and nutritious meal. We're talking vibrant, colorful food that's packed with flavor and good-for-you ingredients. Think fresh veggies, lean proteins, and whole grains all coming together in under 30 minutes. Whether you're a seasoned chef or just starting out, these recipes are totally foolproof. So grab your apron and let's get cooking. First up, we're whipping up a super refreshing grilled chicken salad. Start by seasoning your chicken breasts with some salt, pepper, and your favorite herbs. I love using a little paprika and garlic powder for an extra kick. Now, toss those babies on a preheated grill or grill pan. Cook them for about 5 to 6 minutes per side, or until they're cooked through. While the chicken is grilling, let's prep our salad. I like to use a mix of crunchy romaine lettuce, juicy cherry tomatoes, crisp cucumbers, and some thinly sliced red onion. Once the chicken is cooked, let it rest for a few minutes, then slice it up and add it to your salad. For the dressing, I keep it simple with a drizzle of olive oil and a squeeze of fresh lemon juice. Season with salt and pepper to taste. And voila! This salad is packed with protein and fresh veggies, making it the perfect light and satisfying dinner. Plus, it's so easy to customize with your favorite toppings. Get creative and add some avocado, crumbled feta cheese, or even some toasted nuts for extra crunch. Next up, we're taking a trip to Flavor Town with this easy quinoa and veggie stir-fry. First, rinse 1 cup of quinoa under cold water and drain it well. Then add it to a pot with 2 cups of water and a pinch of salt. Bring it to a boil. Then reduce the heat and simmer for about 15 minutes, or until the quinoa is cooked through and fluffy. While the quinoa is simmering, let's prep our veggies. I'm using a colorful mix of broccoli florets, sliced bell peppers, snap peas, and shredded carrots. You can really use any veggies you like or have on hand. Heat a tablespoon of olive oil in a large skillet or wok over medium-high heat. Add your veggies and stir-fry for about 5 to 7 minutes, or until they're tender crisp. Now, add your cooked quinoa to the skillet along with your favorite stir-fry sauce. I like to use a simple mixture of soy sauce, honey, and ginger. Stir-fry everything together for a final minute or 2 until heated through. And there you have it, a delicious and nutritious quinoa stir-fry that's bursting with flavor and ready in under 30 minutes. For a touch of elegance without the effort, let's bake up some delicious salmon with asparagus. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Line a baking sheet with parchment paper for easy cleanup. Place your salmon fillets on the prepared baking sheet and drizzle them with a little olive oil. Season them with salt, pepper, and your favorite herbs. I like to use a blend of dill, parsley, and lemon zest for a fresh, citrusy flavor. Next to the salmon, arrange your asparagus spears. Drizzle them with a little olive oil and season with salt and pepper. Now, pop that baking sheet into the preheated oven and bake for about 12 to 15 minutes, or until the salmon is cooked through and the asparagus is tender. This dish is so simple yet incredibly flavorful. The salmon is flaky and moist, and the asparagus has a lovely roasted flavor. Serve it with a squeeze of fresh lemon juice for the perfect finishing touch. Let's be honest, sometimes you just crave breakfast for dinner, right? This veggie-packed omelet is the perfect solution. Crack 2 eggs into a bowl and whisk them together with a splash of milk or water. Season with a pinch of salt and pepper. Heat a tablespoon of butter or olive oil in a non-stick skillet over medium heat. Pour in your egg mixture and let it cook for a minute or 2 until it starts to set. Now, sprinkle your favorite chopped veggies over 1/2 of the omelet. I'm using spinach, mushrooms, and bell peppers. You can use any veggies you like or have on hand. Once the bottom of the omelet is set, carefully fold the other half over the veggies. Cook for another minute or 2 until the cheese is melted and gooey. Slide that beauty onto a plate and get ready to dig in. This omelet is packed with protein and veggies, making it a super satisfying and nutritious dinner option. Plus, it's ready in under 15 minutes, making it perfect for those crazy busy nights. For a quick and easy dinner on the go, you can't beat this turkey and avocado wrap. Grab your favorite whole wheat tortillas and let's get started. Spread a layer of hummus or avocado mayo on each tortilla. Then, layer on your favorite deli turkey or chicken breast. I like to use roasted turkey for extra flavor. Next, add some creamy avocado slices, crisp lettuce, juicy tomato slices, and a sprinkle of red onion for a little bite. For an extra flavor boost, try adding a drizzle of sriracha mayo or your favorite hot sauce. Roll up your wraps tightly and slice them in half. These wraps are perfect for meal prep and can be stored in the fridge for up to 3 days. They're also great for taking to work or school for a quick and easy lunch. Let's warm things up with a comforting bowl of lentil soup. It's packed with plant-based protein and fiber, making it a super satisfying and nutritious meal. In a large pot or Dutch oven, heat a tablespoon of olive oil over medium heat. Add 1 diced onion, 2 diced carrots, and 2 diced celery stalks. Cook for about 5 to 7 minutes, or until the veggies are softened. Add 1 cup of brown or green lentils, 4 cups of vegetable broth, 1 teaspoon of dried thyme, and a bay leaf to the pot. Bring the soup to a boil, then reduce the heat and simmer for about 25 to 30 minutes, or until the lentils are tender. Once the lentils are cooked, use an immersion blender or transfer the soup to a regular blender to blend it until smooth. Season with salt and pepper to taste. Serve your lentil soup with a dollop of Greek yogurt or a sprinkle of fresh herbs. Last but not least, let's lighten things up with these zucchini noodles with pesto. They're low-carb, gluten-free, and incredibly delicious. Use a spiralizer or a vegetable peeler to create long zucchini noodles. If you don't have either, you can also use a mandolin to thinly slice the zucchini lengthwise. Heat a tablespoon of olive oil in a large skillet over medium heat. Add your zucchini noodles and sauté for about 3 to 5 minutes, or until they're tender crisp. Be careful not to overcook them, or they'll become mushy. Toss your zucchini noodles with your favorite pesto sauce. I like to use a classic basil pesto, but you can use any type you like. For a boost of protein, try adding some grilled chicken, shrimp, or chickpeas to your zucchini noodles. Serve your zucchini noodles with a sprinkle of Parmesan cheese and a side of crusty bread for soaking up all that delicious pesto sauce. There you have it, friends. 7 quick, easy, and healthy dinner ideas that are perfect for busy nights. I hope you found some new favorites to add to your weekly rotation. If you enjoyed these recipes, be sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more delicious and easy meal ideas. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you never miss a new video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.